The only 3 exercises you need for uphill walking. Ages 60 plus. Do you find yourself struggling to walk uphill? Feeling your knees ache, your legs tire out, or your balance wobble halfway up? You're not alone. But here's the good news. There are just 3 simple exercises that can transform the way you move uphill, making every step smoother, stronger, and pain-free. Hi friends, if you're over 60 and want to regain your leg strength, endurance, and balance for walking uphill, whether it's a hill near your home or your favorite hiking trail, this video is for you. I'll show you the only 3 exercises you truly need to build uphill power and confidence safely. Exercise 1. Step-ups. Let's start with the most functional movement of all, step-ups. Uphill walking is basically one big step-up repeated over and over. So, strengthening your step-up muscles, quads, glutes, and calves is essential. Here's how to do it. Find a sturdy step or platform about knee height, or lower if needed. Step up with your right foot, pressing through your heel to lift your body. Bring your left foot up, then step back down with control. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps on each leg. Do 2 to 3 sets, 3 to 4 times per week. Want to make it easier? Use a lower step or hold onto a wall for balance. Want to make it harder? Add a small dumbbell or backpack for resistance. Step-ups not only strengthen your lower body, but also improve coordination and endurance. The exact combination you need for effortless uphill walking. Over time, your legs will feel lighter and more powerful, and those steep climbs won't feel intimidating anymore. Exercise 2. Calf raises. Next up, the calf raise. The secret weapon for uphill stability and propulsion. Your calves are the last muscles to push you off the ground with every step, and they take a beating on inclines. Strengthening them helps prevent fatigue, cramps, and ankle instability. Here's how to do it. Stand tall behind a chair or counter for balance. Slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower your heels back down with control. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps daily. If you want to level up, try doing them on one leg at a time or on the edge of a step for a deeper stretch. Strong calves don't just help you walk uphill, they absorb shock, protect your knees, and improve circulation in your lower legs. It's one of the most underrated exercises for aging gracefully and walking with confidence. Exercise 3. Glute bridge. Finally, let's talk about the glute bridge, your key to uphill power. Your glutes are your body's engine for forward and upward movement. Weak glutes can cause knee pain, back strain, and that heavy leg feeling when walking uphill. Here's how. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 3 to 4 times weekly. To make it harder, try lifting one leg off the ground while keeping your hips level. The glute bridge strengthens not only your hips and lower back, but also your hamstrings, which are critical for maintaining posture and stability on hills. This one exercise is the foundation for every uphill stride. It's like installing a motor in your lower body. And there you have it. The only 3 exercises you need for pain-free uphill walking after 60. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more strength and mobility tips, and comment below, which exercise will you start with today? Your next hill won't stand a chance.